जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 27th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching to each and every one of us along with Arjuna, saying that, "O Arjuna, now I am talking about the aspect which is, even if you think that the body itself is Atma, then you must know the fact about the body. Every body which has taken birth is sure to die, and after death, every body is sure to take birth. This process is inevitable. Therefore, you should not be grieving about that. The body means it's an assembly of few things. When few things comes together, few changes also inevitable in that assembly, and at some point those things gets dismantled. When things gets dismantled, we are saying that as death. When things comes together and makes a form, we are saying that as birth. So the body which is completely getting dismantled, the very entity of those things are never lost. Those entities again comes together and makes different form. That may be an animal body, that may be an other body. So that is why every body, every shariram, every deham which is taking birth is sure to die. After death, again those things comes together and makes other form. Then it is called as again birth. So birth and death for any body is inevitable. This is how Sri Krishna Paramatma disclosing a fact about, even if we think that the body itself is Atma. Having this teaching running in our thoughts, let us now repeat the sloka. Jatasya hi dhruvo mrutyuhu dhruvam janma mrutasya cha tasmat apariharyerdhe natvam sochitum arhasi. Om. As an essence of entire Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter, from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, manmana bhava, become my devotee, mad bhakto bhava, do all your activities as my service, madhyaji, do namaskaram to me, mam namaskuru, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not grieve, ma suchaha, keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing all these activities, I shall definitely liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Bhagavata Grandham. Nigamakalpataror phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis. Suta Maharshi saying that, O Maharshis, Narada is consoling Dharmaja. Narada saying that, O Dharmaja, O Yudhishthira, with the scripture Veda, Paramatma is running this entire creation. In this creation, as and how we play with the things, so also this entire Srushti is like a sport for Paramatma, bringing people together and again separating them. It is like a sportive activity to Paramatma. O Dharmaja, this entire creation, whether it is eternal, non-eternal, whether it is stable, non-stable, this we cannot definitely say anything about it. Whatever the way that we perceive, we don't have to worry about anything because nothing is in our control. O Dharmaja, the depression, manasika tapam, inside mind grieving is not good for anyone. Dharmaja, what are you thinking now? You are thinking that Gandhari and Dhritarashtra, now they left from this place. They are very much having so much of pain in their mind. So they are down. Now you are thinking that without you being with them, they would not be able to survive. That is what you are thinking. You should not be thinking like that, Dharmaja. Because every one of us at some point going to be gone. In other words, everyone is in the mouth of death. I will give you an example. The frog in the mouth of snake. Snake is eating the frog. So frog itself is in huge danger. So do you think that frog would put or make any effort to help other entity? No, because frog realizing that he himself is in the mouth of death. So also the souls, we all should not be worrying too much about other things which is not under our control. And you may be thinking that, Dharmaja, you may be thinking that Gandhari, Dhritarashtra, what are they eating, how are they living, and all these things, you may be having some concern about them. You know what? In this creation, in this Srishti, it is very natural. Ahastani sahastanam. Those who have hands are eating the thing which has no hands. Apadani chatushpadam. Those who have legs, 4 legs, they are eating the things which has no legs. So it is like very naturally established the living style of the creatures. Arjun, Dharmaja, and all these herbs, fruits, animals, all these things eating each other, becoming food for each other. This entire Srishti, which is filled up with sentient and insentient, everywhere Paramatma is there. So this entire Srishti is filled up with Paramatma. He is the one bearing it. He is the one making sure it is surviving. He is the one nurturing this entire Srishti. Antaro nantaro bhati pasya tam. Oh Dharmaja, that is why keep on practicing to perceive Paramatma's presence in each and every entity. That is how Narada Maharshi giving teachings to Dharmaja and also consoling Dharmaja because he is in the pain that Gandhari Dhritarashtra left home without notifying him. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर 27th श्लोक जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्मात् अपरिहार्येऽर्धे नत्वं शोचितुम् अर्हसि। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।